All right, so parabola questions don't appear that often on the SAT, but when they do, they're very often questions really about symmetry, and this is no exception. This is a symmetry question. So let's draw our axes. Nice. Let's draw a parabola. We don't need to be that careful here because we really don't know anything about this parabola except its minimum. We know its minimum is at f of 2, which means when x equals 2, the parabola is at its lowest point. What that also means, and this is what's important, is that we have a line of symmetry at x equals 2. This parabola is the same on the left of x equals 2 as it is on the right of x equals 2. That is what symmetry means, and that's what the key to solving this question is. So, let's say that 6, I'm trying to be a little bit to scale here without going off the graph. Let's say that 6 is here, right? So, way up there, just at the tip. What we know is that 6 is 4 away from the line of symmetry, right? 6 is 4 away from 2. We know that because we know our very, very basic math. What that means is that across the parabola on the other side, 4 away, is going to be a point that equals f of 6. Now, this is definitely not the scale, but the important thing is not the scale. The important thing is that I know if I went 4 right to get to 6, I've got to go 4 left to get to the point that equals f of 6. And 4 left from 2, of course, is negative 2. Right? So 4 left from 2 is negative 2. And that means f of negative 2 is going to equal f of 6 because they're both 4 away from the line of symmetry. Cool? All right.